video. Today we're going to be mounting a lot of new parts on my E39. We are going to install the new list on the trunk lid, which I bought from the parts car. We're going to buy some new kidney grills, and most importantly, we are going to buy some new headlights on my E39. I think this will be a really good upgrade compared to my OEM pre-facelift lights, which I have right there. I think this will look a lot better. So let's just get to it. I will actually paint the kidneys, so we will do that first so they can dry while I mount the new headlights. So first order of business, paint these black. Also remember to subscribe and smash that notification bell if you want to see some more BMW content and follow these E39 projects. Since that is also chrome, we're going to paint that as well, the list on the trunk lid. Black is a lot better than chrome. Okay, as you saw, that was 4 screws, just like these, tiny ones, 2 in the front up here and 2 at the back, and that's it. And disconnect the turn signal. That's about it. 1 xenon pre-phase headlight. Please get on camera. Okay, so that's the turn signal. I forgot to change the bulb, so that's white compared to orange, which it should be. Woohoo! Damn! Well, it looks good on camera, but it does not look that good in reality. I don't know how I can make it look bad on camera. Maybe there? I don't know. Okay, this is how, yeah, that's the look. This is how it looks in reality. But we can, of course, just give it the movie trick. Yeah, there it looks nice. Sweet! Looks like original Hella. Yeah. Like, whoa! Nice! Everything works. That's good. This is a good upgrade. I've been waiting a long time for this. Looks so good. Or it looks a lot better. It's not looking, I mean, original Hella headlights would of course look a lot better, but I mean, this is not too bad. Not too bad. Oh yeah, we got both on. This looks a lot better. It's a lot cleaner look. now these have clear coat on them, so I'll just let them dry for a little bit, and then I did actually decide that I do not want to run angel lights on these. I just want to run like regular look. So the angel lights did not look too good. They look good on video, but it does not look good at all. So I mean, if I had some really bright LED bulbs, it would be kind of cool, but it doesn't look good right now. Look at that. Really liking those turn signals. Those looks really cool. When we get those new kidney grills on as well, I think this will look a lot cooler in the front. No. That looks a lot better than it did before, a lot. Now with the black kidney grills and the new depot headlights. Chrome, bleh. Oh yeah. So now I will try to remove the trim list in the trunk and replace it with a new one I painted black. Oh yeah, it works. Okay, we are done for today. We have swapped out the headlights and we have painted and mounted some new kidney grills that are actually a little bit different than the ones I had previously. These are a little bit deeper, so I think they look kind of cool, or they look a lot cooler. Definitely a huge upgrade on my E39, and I think it looks kind of good. I'm kind of a bummer that the angel lights did not look that good, but I could, well, I didn't know that in advance that I did would not look like original Hella lights. So yeah, I think I'll just drive like this with like US look. I think that looks kind of cool, and overall I'm really happy with the upgrade. Of course, Hella would be better, but I think this looks really, really cool. So I'm really happy with the new look, and I think it looks a lot better. So also really nice to fix the trim list in the back that I also painted black instead of chrome, and now I can use the trunk lid and make the car is practical again. So that's the most important thing. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.